What's up, guys? Here your girl guest mission for my channel subscribers. I welcome you. I salute you all. How are you outside there? Welcome to another episode. I'm talking live from the village, and this is how the village looks. If you can see here, we have a lot of green plants. Also, there are some chickens there. This is cassava. This is sweet potatoes. Here, there's no waste of that one there. That's a net, and all the net that we usually use to do what? to fence the vegetables. Yeah, there are vegetables inside there. That's why you see them being like a fence, so that to protect the chickens from attacking the vegetables. Yeah, it's just an introduction, but then I'll have to do a video from here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing. If you're not done, it's just hit that subscribe button. And we usually collect water from here, and my sister is helping helping me to to fetch the water. It is a borehole. Like, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
How do you feel about the village? Because other people don't want to fetch water from the borehole. She's here. That's how we fetch, and that's a jerrycan that we usually use to fetch the water. And it has to have a rope, and we had been working at the garden, and that's why we have seen like we have to come and collect some water so that we go to shower. That's why I'm wearing I'm very dirty, but then I so like I should shoot a video here because this is a new place. I am at the village, typical village. See the houses, even there are some houses there inside there attached with glass. Even behind me here, see the lovely house from the village. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. This is the lovely village. It is time, and here the sun is at, I don't know, is that the west? That one there is the west. When I'm at my village, the sun goes like to this side, like, so that means like my village is behind me. That my village is behind me. But when I'm at another village, the sun goes to this side there. So this is lovely. You can see all the houses here. People are touching their houses with glass. I don't know. It's really cool when you are inside that touched house. Like, so, guys. Even that place there, you can see another house there. A lot of people here at the village, they are like, they love the thatched houses with grass, like, yeah.
Sasa kitu ambayo ipo mimi niko mashambani, takuvia shambani. Maisha yangu ni hii tu, kila siku ni kazi tu, hakuna lingine. Kuna kulala. Mimi saa hii niko chop, niko kazi, naweka huku hapa, nikishaweka hapo tena rudia hapa. Unajua hii kazi ndugu wangu, hiyo ndio chakula ya kesho. Ukikataa kufanya kazi hivi hautakula, utalamba wapi? Hapa. Unaona? Ndugu wangu wewe, ucha hapa tukafanya kazi wewe.
Mimi hii mjibeti.
Na unajua nini? Kazi ndio chakula. Ukikaa hivyo, shauri yako. Mimi niko bana kazi. Niko taka unga.
Kwa English mara.
Mimi hapana jua hiyo. Mimi niko jua kazi panga. Kazi. Mimi niko bieka mahindi. Kesho nipate poda. Nilime tena.
Sawa, nasikia Kiswahili mimi.
Bwana ndugu. Karibu kazi. Karibu kazi. Karibu kazi. Usiende bila kazi. Karibu kazi. Karibu kazi ndugu. Karibu. Uje tu uchukue pango hata wewe ujaribu kidogo.
Sote kama tuking'ade.
Wewe kuja. Unaogopa kazi wewe? Mimi hapana naogopa kazi. Mimi nitalewa kazi. Niko hapa ni. Chapa kazi. Chapa kazi.
Niko na mabo. Sasa karibu na yeye.
Chapa kazi. Wewe. Sasa hiyo wanasikia huko. Madamu, najua hii kazi hapa kwetu tunaweza. Hii ndio kazi ambayo tunakula. Mazambani hivi tu. Hatushughuliki na maneno. Mpaka jioni usiku kama muda huu.
Hakuna umbea.
Hakuna umbea. Umbea nini sasa?
Umbea ni kulima.
Kulima tu. Hatujali. Masuala yetu ni hii kilimo. Ndio hatutaki kitu ambayo inatoka sijui Mataria kutoka Tanzania sijui wapi. Sisi hii ndio kazi yetu. Hii kilimo tu. Kilimo tu.
So guys, here we are trying to search for green maize so that we're gonna go and have it because of the harvest. And this is how they do it, like you heap them in one side so that you will harvest. You come to remove the skin like this one here. This is green, I'll go and roast it. So they heap together like this one. And then later they will come and harvest it. And then they will come and dig. Scared of the camera. And he's here with me. So we had been harvesting there and therefore put some more cows there, like they are grinding those dry corn stems, like, yeah. This is the weather here is not that good. It's very damp, and the time now is like evening. Yeah, they are still going on with the carrying of the maize.
Sasa mahindi si ni mahindi tu. Hiyo ni ya kukula sasa. Nadhani unajua kama watu wa nini? Hii ni ya kukula. Kama watu wenye wanakonjeka ugonjwa ya sukari. Si